Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to withdraw from Uprock.com. As you can see, I'm in my Uprock.com account, and to withdraw, first of all you need to understand how the Uprock.com works. So these three lines over here, they are more like the menu section over here. When you click on them, you see the options. First one is lobby, wallet, rewards, and the network. All right, so if you want to withdraw, come and tap on the wallet section here. Okay, just click on wallet, and when you tap on wallet, it will bring you over here. Okay, this is the overview of the wallet, and this is the transaction history of the wallet. More like if you've sent or if you've withdrawn your coins from here, you will see them in the transaction history. Then the overview over here means if you want to withdraw, if you want to receive money onto your Uprock account, just come and tap on receive over here, and then you'll be able to receive. And if you want to send, just come and tap on send, and you'll be able to send. All right, so in order to send or to withdraw from Uprock, what you're going to do is simple. You'll need to first have the Phantom wallet. Just come here and search for Phantom wallet. So for those who don't have the Phantom wallet, make sure to download it and install it from Google Play Store. As for my case, as you can see, I already have it, and I'm just uploading it, or I'm just loading it over here. So just need to be patient. So what am I going to do from the Phantom wallet? I'll only come on the Phantom wallet, and then I'll copy the Solana address. It's the one I used to withdraw from Phantom or from Uprock. So click on receive over here, and then copy this address. Now head back to your Uprock account, and then tap on send. So when you tap on send, you just come and paste this address over here, and you send the tokens onto Solana. So as for my case, as you can see, I only have 0, but if you have anything you want to withdraw in terms of dollars, you just come and copy the Solana address, then you send from this button over here. So for my case, I won't be withdrawing, but that's the procedure, guys. And I hope you found value in this video. If so, please ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.